2024. Welcome. We are on our way to the hotel to do the enchantments tomorrow, October 7th. Today's October 6th. So tomorrow's the 6th. 2 years ago in July, we did this hike. It was our first backpacking we've ever done. And we had our heavy backpacks. It took us, I looked, at least our time on my watch was 19 hours. And I'll have to look to see if we actually took longer if I paused my watch. But we're set to do it in one day with a lot lighter backpacks, but we only have one day, so we'll see. So we're gonna stay over close, so here it is. 4:20, ready to go drive to the trailhead. We are here, lots of people here waiting for the shuttle, and we have a one-leg situation that we are resolving hopefully before we start.
That was the first
We have begun. We are lighting up the trail. There's people ahead. So, feeling pretty good. Hello, it is 7:09-ish. We're almost to Kolchak Lake. We got some energy goo, and it's light out, no more headlamps, and we are going. We have made it almost around all of Kolchak Lake. We're meeting our time goals, and we're about to start the final up part. Here's our view. Beautiful views, smiling faces. It is 8:04. We're at the start of Asgard's Pass. Last time it took us, I think, 3 hours to do it. We thought we were almost done at like 1 hour and 45 minutes, and then it took us another hour at least. So we'll see, but we're an hour ahead of predicted schedule, so it's only 8, so we'll see. Behold the water of life. This is the best tasting water we've ever had in our lives. A little bit more frozen than last time, but this is the water. This is it. We made it to the top of Asgard's Pass. We did it in an hour and 25 minutes, which is crazy. Much better than last time. And now we get to walk and be beautiful. So yes, I did.
Just carry it. Look at one full.
Here is the very first time we ever backpack. Right here was our campsite. These are our views. It was a lot more frozen and a lot more snow. But there it is. Got some nice larches, toilet, some more larches, and then there's where Yakima is, all the way through there. So we got a beautiful lake down below and so many larches. It's crazy. Perfection Lake, as it is. Perfect. Pull down. Leprechaun Lake. Shout out mother. Sipping some water. Big vlog moment. It is pretty hot and we are shedding some layers. Bam! Made it through. There's the last lake, Lake Vivian. Super beautiful. We're gonna start our way down, which is all the way down that valley. Wish us luck. We got some metal sisters, for lack of a better word. Last time we did this in July, the water was booming, and there's this where you have to cross the waterfall. Basically, the ledge of the waterfall is there, and now there's no water. So we must have been at the craziest point of the season where there was so much water. But here's Lake Vivian again. Last one. Doing good. Possibly not even halfway done. We'll see.
Emily crossing the bridge. Oh yeah.
Upper
Like coming with us.
Snowy Lake. Crossing. No water today. Chugging along. We are currently in a grove. Fall colors. And look at the size of these leaves. Well, the moment we've been waiting for. You can see the road, except we're still pretty far. I actually don't think it looks too far. What do you think?
Dang.
I think it's gonna be good. And we saw all these lovely views. I'm actually really loving this hike. My legs feel great. I would 10 out of 10 do this again. Definitely. Oh, there's to the cars we go. Well, we barely saw any goats in the enchantments. And behold, near our cars, a goat's coming through. We're stuck now. Trail mate. We did it! We did it! I will do it again, and so will he when he's not sick.